revenue collectors are in court. You see, yes, you are one of the revenue collectors. Your name is? Bonukechas. From which county? From Kisii. You are the revenue officer. Can you just come forward and tell us what has been happening? And tell us whether you have really been getting the money that is being collected from the ground. Because if the problem escalates, I can even ask yes.
With your kind permission.
Yes.
Perhaps since we are coming for the elections, and to finish.
Yes.
Because we are dealing with that contempt application.
Yes.
And the gravity of the orders and that.
Yes.
So that and in light of the burdens and the right of the trial,
yes.
My suggestion would be, my Lord, because now the issues my Lord is raising, these are factual issues that are in the very heart of the application.
Correct, I agree with you.
We wish to really respond.
Yes.
My Lord, if given an opportunity, and that you were just served yesterday, and I also need to sit down with my clans so that we can get a way forward for this, my Lord. Okay. So that in the circumstances.
Yes, I've heard you. Yes, I've heard you. I'll just have a seat, yes. Mr. Oginga. I've heard you. Just have a seat. I've said we are coming to defend a contempt application, okay? And I've just addressed you people and told you my interest would not even to pursue the contempt proceedings. My main interest would be to have the traders at Keroka earn their daily bread peacefully. Because at the end of the day, I'll either lock in or fine the two contemptors, for lack of a better word. But how will it help the people of Keroka if I were to either find them or jail them? I would want to do justice that will help everybody, and particularly the people of Keroka who moved to this court and told me that they are not able to do business because they are having conflict between where do we pay our revenue to, where do we get our services to. I've already said that the issue of service delivery has been resolved by the service agreement, which I would not want to interfere with. And if the people of the two counties, or any of them, or even a single resident of any of the two counties, feels that that service agreement of 2014 does not serve them, he can go to the intergovernment relations and have the matter mediated there. But in the meantime, you see, you and me, His Excellency is getting a salary at the end of the month. I'm getting a salary at the end of the month. Mr. Oginga, you are getting some money, some fee from the litigants you represent here. Even when Keroka is on fire. But when Keroka is on fire, there is a Mama Mboga who will not be able in the evening to take anything to her children. What does she do?